Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by selecting 2 pounds of russet potatoes, washing them well and patting dry. Cut each potato into 1/4-inch, 6 mm, sticks so fries cook evenly. Place the cut potatoes in a bowl of cold water and soak for 30 minutes to remove excess starch. This helps crispness. After soaking, drain and spread fries on a clean towel or rack and dry thoroughly until no surface moisture remains, which prevents dangerous oil splatter during frying. Fill a heavy pot with enough neutral oil to submerge fries, about 2 to 3 inches deep, and heat to 300 degrees F. Working in batches, add dried potato sticks and blanch for 5 minutes until they are softened but show no color. This cooks the interior. Remove each batch with a spider or slotted spoon, drain briefly, and spread on a wire rack. Allow fries to cool for at least 20 minutes to let steam escape. Pat any remaining surface moisture with a towel before the final fry. Raise the same oil to 375 degrees F for the final crisping stage. Fry blanched and cooled potatoes in small batches for about 3 minutes until they turn golden brown and crisp. Avoid overcrowding to keep oil temperature stable. Remove fries to a paper towel-lined tray to drain. While still hot, immediately sprinkle with 1 teaspoon kosher salt per 2 pounds to ensure salt adheres. Serve hot, and if you like, toss briefly with 1 tablespoon malt vinegar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.